Assalamu alaikum. My be review ge muling episode ka anikastia emme befonna marhaba dannawala. Emme high technology ku ufaddafawa tafatu eki bawatawge reviews algonmen te befonna hame genesta mundairu. Miyaduge review guys almen genesta emolani war tafatu adi multifunctional lecce. Miyaduge review algonmen khas kollani desk lamp Quran speaker ka.
Mi desk lamp Quran speaker. Kiriti Quran ekko translation naiku total 16 qaringe kiyavun himene. Touch remote bluetooth adi phone application meduri kovves speaker control kolle vidana. Aduge quality ya balalaru mi audio output 5 volt ge loudspeaker. Kiriti Quran ayatukun adi word by word kovves adu hale vidana. Sahih al-Bukhari Hisnul Muslim, Azan, Hajj, Umrah, Ruqya behe full audio vismiga himanifave. Mi USB charging ku inna rechargeable speaker. Muhimu features taka balalairu mi waran higgamu desk lamp gota farma kuffawa ecce. Speaker ge matiga touch kollumun tafatu beenun hack kulaga badal kolleve. Adi brightness adjustment was hadaleve. 8GB ge memory akaku mege battery ki 2000 mAh ke battery FR charge kollan hataru gadiru beenun kolleve mi diheka fanara meter ge durumina connection hifatal de high tech speaker
Mi fenigen diyayves waratta faatu adi war beenu terecheddo mige selling price ki 850 rupiya ballawagatuma avaha mai bewada gannawa